Welcome to another episode and video on my Raspberry Pi 2 running Ubuntu Linux as well as the robot operating system. The Raspberry Pi 2 is connected, stacked with RaspberryPi Plus with the white serial cable to Minicom serial terminal on the computer. With this black cable, which is an HDMI cable which goes straight to this monitor. I don't know if I really will use it, but it's on anyway. And it's connected by network cable for the VNC. Once again, two VNC terminals, as well as this band cable which goes straight to this breadboard with electronics and fischertechnik. Last time I temporarily solved a problem with roscore, and roscore is needed to run ROS anyway. So I will have to check if I still have to use that solution with ROS IP or not. Last time I also managed to fix the subscriber, so I got some nice stuff in the ROS topic window, which is immediately also a setup to using one of the reasons that I changed from Python to C++. Will the messaging work? And the messaging is a property of ROS, which means that you send messages to or get messages from an LED, a phototransistor or a motor. You send it to this one and you send to this and you receive from here. That is at least the objective. So reading from sensors and controlling actuators. Well, this is not exactly an actuator, this is, but you get the idea, I hope. And with the rest of the electronics, it will function. But will the ROS work? That's the main question. Right now it doesn't yet. So let's quickly go to the VNC with everything on it and see how things will work out. Alright, so is everything right? Well, I will just check it with, not here, well it can be done here, but let's do it here in the VNC. Roscore. Will it work or won't it? It won't. That's a bummer. So let me alright, I need this one. Oh, that is to say, is the IP address, yeah, I think so. I think that the IP address is the same because I logged in with this IP address. So yeah, no need to check. Alright. There was something else to export as well, but I'm not quite sure what anymore. Yeah, this, the master address. Alright. Now I should be able to run roscore. And yes, it does. So, going back here. Roscore, no, ROS run for publisher. Alright, let's just make a P of this. Okay, this works. Then, a similar thing. Oh wait, should I... Yeah, I should first source everything. Alright. The ROS topic comes later. Sub. Oh boy. So I do need to yeah, it's empty. So this actually implies that for each and every terminal you have to export it. I don't like that. Couldn't find. Oh, come on. So now I have to go back in history and find that one. This one. Okay. Will it run now? What is this? Yeah, it's 205. So this should be the solution. So I am going to say, okay, echo ROS underscore IP. It doesn't say. Hey, wait. Oh, yeah, right. That's correct, because I need a dollar instead of an hash. Now it says. But still a big problem. Because of this message. That's no good. That is no good at all. Alright, let's do this then. ROS master export. So echo ROS master URI. Yeah. Oh boy. This is a problem, and a pretty large one. Alright, let's open a new window. No, not a tab, a window. Okay, a little bit up. This goes. Okay, source of course. Alright, now echo ROS underscore IP empty. So yeah, but what I wanted to show or check ROS topic. Yeah, nothing. probably because the subscriber is not running, which should be running from here, which doesn't because it can't find an AF address, which I have set already. And this was a successful start. Oh, wait a second. This is the same thing. Right. Let's run it anyway. Okay. This is not good. And it is this address. There's no doubt about it. Without it, roscore could not run. But roscore is running because otherwise this could not run. The publisher. I do not like the direction where this is going. I don't like it at all. But what to do? That's a very good question. Another idea would be if I manage to run both in the same window. So let me cut this one. Let me cut this one, and let me cut this one. Now this is the publisher, which I start with an ampersand, so it goes back to the background. Then I start the subscriber. And that is a bit hard to do right now. Because it's just overprints anything and anything. So then what do? This I just copy and I go here, paste, and what happens then? Alright, I could also, is this doing anything at all? I'm not quite sure. I can of course say, alright, which processes are running, and then I do see, no I don't. What am I seeing? What am I watching at? Oh, that's interesting then. What is this second line anyway? This one. Oh, interesting. It is running the sub after the pub. Not really the intention. This makes it pretty hard to do anything. So it was an interesting idea, but it doesn't work out. And now I'm pressing Ctrl C to stop things. But, oh, right. ROS info public string, that is that one. And public speaker string, which is which? I think the same. I can't even stop it. Okay, let me kill the processes. So that is process 5992 and no. Yeah, it is. Kill 5992 and 6017. This is process 6017. Anyway, this should be as a cut terminated. Roscore is still running, or should be. So if I run it again, oh see, that's the point. Right after it. Then it starts running. And because of the output I can't start a new command. So that's a bit of a problem. And then still this one. So in short, my solution didn't work out at all. Can I run it in here? Not likely. Then I will do something else. No clue if it will work out. So I am going to the monitor. Start the terminal. Let's see, right on top somewhere here. And this is a very bad resolution. Let me see if I can change anything about it. Yeah, there is some light shining there on top, but that's alright. Here you can see something. So I have to first go to Catkin, then source, develop, and then setup, to bash, and then I have to ROS run. And yeah, new sub. This is what should work, and it doesn't. So I say export what I already did. Export. Let me check that out. Oh yeah, ROS IP is this one, and export, and that's going to be not nice. ROS master URI is HTTP, and then $ROS IP 11.3.11 slash. Alright, will it work now? This means a simple no. Not doing a thing. So this is not via the VNC, this is straight on the computer. So right now I'm at a loss why it does this, because last time it did well. I could run the subscriber and I could run ROS topic in this third terminal. Can I open a third tab? Right. ROS run. This one. Can I run it here? No. Can I have here the echo? No, I have to export it. I have to actually export it. So let's take the shortcut, copy, paste, yes. Then I have to export this line as well, copy, paste. Do I have an IP? Yes. Can I run sub? Forget it. So in the same terminal but in a tab, it's a no-go. And here it says very problematic also, I can't run. So let me, and this is a problem as well, of course. Okay, cut this one. Why can't I stop this? Alright, this will be, let's say 60, 70. At least I assume that it was that one. It has terminated. Alright. Now if I terminate roscore, I start roscore again, it works. So I start subscriber, which should give a problem because the publisher isn't running, and at the same time I start the publisher but without ampersand. Alright, right now I'm really at a loss. What is happening and why? See, without the publisher running, I don't even get this one. It's not after that I start the publisher that the subscriber gets this message. Alright, not nice at all. Alright, so bottom line for now is that the circuit can't still be tested because I can't get the subscriber to run in any way. It can't run because of some AF inet problem, and it can't well, it is dependent on the publisher. Apart from that, this is running fine, and as you can see here, well, this is really as you put a monitor to a computer. No virtual network computing, this is the real thing, but it doesn't work. So, how to solve it? I do not know right now. So the messages will have to wait until I have solved this, and I know last time that I tried it at the end of last episode, it gave me some kind of hint of the problems, but that it was this bad I could not foresee. Anyway, I'm afraid that's it for now. So, well, if you watch my videos, you know I'm never shy of showing my errors and other problems, and this is obviously one of them. So, thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up, like it, and leave a comment if you like. Much appreciated. You can also follow me on Twitter. Please retweet, like it, leave a comment. You can also follow me on Instagram. Please like it, leave a comment. You can show your support by making a small donation. More information at the start of this video and on my website. And you can also show your support by becoming a patron and by a monthly pledge. Have your name mentioned on my website or on my website as well as with my video. And this is going to be continued. So once again, thank you for watching, and